world becomes more and more connected through technology every year, logistical service providers must search for more efficient ways to provide the enhanced visibility their customers demand and the increased efficiencies their operations require. Air Canada, along with their technology partner Franwell, believes the introduction of RFID at a piece level associated to a ULD in the cargo environment provides a rich platform for visibility that will meet the ever-growing customer demands and operational challenges. The team has spent the last few years engineering, testing, and proving that RFID can be successfully deployed for cargo at a piece level. In order to deliver and prove out the technology, special hardware was built, existing hardware was uniquely implemented, and custom software was created. Now, with the major challenges behind us and successful pilots completed, the team is confident this technology is ready to utilize. It all starts with the integration of a passive RFID tag into the IADA standard lot label during the goods acceptance process. The solution uses a standards-based RFID tag that provides the best cost versus performance ratio. As the RFID-enabled piece label is printed, the system associates it with the air waybill number. Also, during the printing, each RFID tag is serialized, allowing the system to uniquely identify each piece. Once each piece is labeled with traceable RFID, the solution begins to report read events such as in warehouse, partial buildup, ready for export, and many others that by no accident coincide with current C2K milestones. This is accomplished with a combination of fixed and mobile RFID readers strategically placed to cover and account for the processes. As an RFID tag piece moves through the cargo handling process, the next major event after goods acceptance is buildup. The buildup process introduces the pallet or container association of the piece to a ULD asset tag. The solution accomplishes this by placing a unique, readable, and permanent RFID tag on the ULD. This tag is read as the asset is used during buildup, and every piece placed in or on one of these assets is read and associated to the asset until the breakdown process. The possibilities regarding asset management and deployment are alone very exciting. As one of the tagged assets begin to move along the normal cargo handling process, the system will track the asset and all of its associated pieces through the facility and finally to export. After buildup, each piece of freight is now associated to a unique serial number, an air waybill, and a unique container asset ID. As a container moves through an export door, the system automatically reports the asset and all of its content as exported. Then, as the asset tag is read at destination, the system will automatically report in real time that the asset and all of its content is imported. The final major events for any given piece of freight are the breakdown, check-in, and delivery. The system will automatically report pieces of freight as broken down when they begin to move independently of their associated asset. Check-in would automatically update the air waybill as available at destination and which location in the warehouse it has been stored in, and update its location anytime the piece is moved. Delivery occurs as pieces exit the carrier's warehouse. All events could be handled discreetly by the system or automatically on a zone basis. The team is very excited and optimistic about the future of RFID in the cargo environment. We see no limit to the process events and information that can be reported and actioned automatically. For example, we are engineering ways to automatically report temperature by associating and reporting this data with each piece of freight all along the chain of custody. The potential of integrating this technology into the security, customs, asset management, and e-freight processes is incredible. Listen now as Lise-Marie Turpin, Vice President of Air Canada Cargo, shares with us about their plans.
After many years of process mapping, software design, testing, and pilots with R&D company Franwell, we're very proud to launch RFID at our Montreal and Frankfurt stations this spring, and later this year at our Toronto hub. We're convinced that this technology will provide our company with increased efficiencies as well as improved customer service. We feel that this business innovation will be of interest to the air cargo industry at large.